Hello, in today's video, we're going through how to set up this Power BI template on top of Databricks system tables to help you analyze your cost and cross-charge. So first thing you need to do is to go to this GitHub repo. There's two ways to download the Power BI template. First is go to code and download the zip file. And then you just need to unzip it. Second way is to copy the URL and then go to your terminal and then navigate to the folder you would like to download this and do git clone, paste the URL in. Then you should have the Git repo downloaded. And then you can go to your Git repo. You can navigate to template folder and open the PBIT by double clicking. It will open and you will need the server hostname and HTTP path. You can find these in the Databricks SQL Warehouse connection strings. So here we have a SQL Warehouse. We can click into it, go to connection strings. We'll copy out the server hostname, put it here, and we'll also copy out the HTTP path. The default catalog is system. You can also write out your system tables to a different catalog as long as schema and table is billing.usage. You can change the default catalog in Power BI if you want to. Then all you need to do is click on load, and then you need to enter your credentials. You need to make sure whoever is setting up this template have access. Here we're going to do pets, and we can just connect. And we click on run. Voila, that's it. You can start analyze your cost and start cross-charging from here onwards.